Are you experiencing frequent bloating, gas, or heaviness after meals? These might be signs that your colon needs a cleanse. Today, you'll learn how to naturally clean your colon using a simple and safe home remedy. Symptoms and causes. Let's start with the symptoms of a clogged or unhealthy colon: constant bloating, irregular bowel movements, fatigue, abdominal discomfort, gas, or bad breath. What causes these issues? Poor diet, processed foods, low fiber, lack of water, stress, lack of movement, excessive sugar or dairy. Benefits of colon cleansing. Cleansing the colon can help with better digestion, reduced bloating and gas, more energy, a flatter stomach, improved nutrient absorption, reduced risk of colon problems. Natural recipe. Here's a safe, natural colon cleanse drink you can make at home. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger, a few mint leaves, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1 cup hot water. Instructions: add cumin, ginger, and mint to hot water. Let it steep for 5-10 minutes. Strain the liquid and add lemon juice. Drink it warm every morning on an empty stomach for 7 days. Warnings and advice. Avoid using this remedy if you have ulcers, IBS, or are pregnant. Drink plenty of water and eat high-fiber foods for better results. Always consult your doctor if you have chronic digestive issues.